Assalamualaikum. Hello my dear student of class 9 and 10. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Before starting my class, let me introduce myself. This is Akliman Tarakhi, resource teacher of English under CC Kalidas Kolimuddin High School, Shokhipur, Tangal. Today I will teach you English first paper, and I want to show you something from your question paper. Today we will discuss about question number 8 from your question paper. Let's see a question. Have a look. Dear student, question number 8. Have you seen question number 8? There will be a paragraph and there will be some question like this. You have to write the paragraph on the basis of this question. Have you seen? Okay. And the 8 number question require 10 marks. Okay. Dear student, before going to learn or know about paragraph, we have to know the rules of paragraph, how to write paragraph. As I see, most of the students try to memorize paragraph blindly, but it's wrong. You have to know the rules of writing paragraph, how to write paragraph. At first, you have to know what is paragraph, what are the parts of paragraph and types of paragraph. Okay, so our today's topic is paragraph, and the learning outcomes are what is paragraph. You will learn what is paragraph, what are the parts of paragraph, different types of paragraph, and you will also learn a demo paragraph. Okay, let's see at first what is paragraph, student. Our today's topic is paragraph. As you know, paragraph. Let me write paragraph. Paragraph. Okay, our today's topic is paragraph. At first, we will know what is paragraph. Paragraph is a piece of writing or collection of related sentences which deal with only one topic. Dear student, paragraph is a piece of writing or a related sentences or a collection of sentences which deal with only one topic. Got it? This is paragraph. Then, how many parts are there in a paragraph? There are 3 parts in a paragraph. How many parts? 3. Parts. There are 3 parts in a paragraph. First one, let me write. First one is introduction. First one is introduction. Then second one is body, and third one is conclusion. Okay. Have you seen, dear student? Paragraph. There are 3 parts in a paragraph. Introduction, body, conclusion. Whenever you want to write a paragraph, you have to maintain these 3 parts. These are the structure of a paragraph. Dear student, don't try to memorize the paragraph. Again, I am saying blindly. You have to maintain these. Okay? Introduction. What is introduction? Introduction is the topic sentence of a paragraph. That means controlling idea. Through 1 or 2 sentences, you have to introduce or you have to control the idea. You have to say what you are going to say throughout the paragraph. Got it? Then body. Body is the second part of a paragraph. It's very important. Through this body, you have to say the controlling idea. In the body, you have to show example, analysis, different kinds of information. In one word, we can say body is the supportive line. Okay. The conclusion. Conclusion is the first part or last part of a paragraph. This is the finishing part. In this part, you have to conclude the idea. Controlling what you say in the introduction, you will conclude this in this part. Got it, student? Okay, let me say again. Introduction, that means topic sentence or controlling idea. Body, that means supportive lines, is called developer. And conclusion, this is summarize. This summarize the whole paragraph. This is summarize the whole paragraph. Dear student, have you got? Okay. One more important information is you are not allowed to make different para in a paragraph. You will write the paragraph in one para, but you have to notice you are maintaining these parts whenever you want to write a paragraph. Okay. Then let's see, there are different more things in a paragraph. We are not going to in deep of the paragraph. When student, you are just reading in a secondary level. Whenever you will read in higher class, that time you will know more about it. Let's see the types of paragraph. It's important. You have to know the types of paragraph. Let's see. There are different types of paragraph. Whenever you will write, you want to write a paragraph, you will notice these kinds of things. It will help you to write a proper paragraph. Narrative paragraph. Have you seen? Narrative paragraph, descriptive paragraph, expository paragraph, definition paragraph, argumentative paragraph, listing paragraph, cause and effect paragraph, example paragraph, classification paragraph, compare and contrast paragraph, process paragraph. Have you seen? Okay, let me discuss narrative paragraph. Which paragraph narrates something, like a journey by boat. Then descriptive paragraph. In descriptive paragraph, we describe a different things. Okay. Then expository paragraph. In expository paragraph, we expose something, like about write down a paragraph about my friend, like this. Definition paragraph. We define something in this kind of paragraph, like love, freedom. Okay. Argumentative paragraph. In this type of paragraph, we argument in one topic. We say something against it or against it. Then listing paragraph. In listing paragraph, we list something. Then cause and effect paragraph. Cause and effect paragraph, we say different kinds of cause, then we say the effect of paragraph. And air pollution, water pollution, environment pollution, and also coronavirus. Example paragraph. In these kinds of paragraph, we give some example. Then classification paragraph. In classification paragraph, we classify something. Compare and contrast paragraph. In this kind of paragraph, we compare and contrast in one topic. Then process paragraph. In this process, we say something, how we can do the thing. Then like how to make a cup of tea, how can we make a garden, like this. Okay. I'm not describing the things very details, as you were a little learners. Okay. Okay, our today's paragraph. Before going to our today's demo paragraph, I want to show you a picture. Dear student, do you want to see? Student? Okay, let's see a nice picture. Student, have a look. Student, have a look. There is a picture. Have you seen? Can you see? Is it clear? Okay, have a look. This is our globe. Have you seen? Oh, our globe is very sad. It looks like it is sad. Oh my God, it's wearing a mask. Have you seen, dear student? It's wearing a mask. It's a symbolic picture. That means we are going through what? A global pandemic that is called coronavirus or COVID-19. That's why you are at home and I am at home. We are leading life like prisoner, isn't it? We are leading life like a prisoner. And this globe is begging help. Have you seen? Help me, please. Help me. I am sick. Okay. As whole world is suffering from this COVID-19 or deadly coronavirus, that's why the globe is wearing mask. It's a symbolic picture. So our today's demo paragraph is coronavirus or COVID-19. I selected this topic for you because it's the most talked topic for today. Okay. Coronavirus. Have you seen, dear student? Coronavirus. Let's see the paragraph on the screen, dear student. Let's see the paragraph on the screen. Coronavirus, dear student. For your understanding, I make the letter capital or big in a front, so it will contain 14 or 15 slide, but whenever you will write in your copy, it will be only one page. Okay, don't be scared. Okay. And dear student, again I am saying, don't try to memorize the paragraph blindly. Okay, you will know that I have showed you the rule of writing paragraph. You will follow this, and whenever you want to learn a paragraph, you will learn the difficult words and you will write down in your copy, and you will try to understand the meaning, so that whenever an uncommon paragraph will come in your exam, you will be able to write down it by yourself. Okay. Coronavirus. A coronavirus is a kind of respiratory disease caused by a novel virus that causes infections to human, mammals and birds. Have you seen? There is a difficult one, respiratory. Have you seen? Respiratory, that means breath related. Okay. Then novel, that means new. Then let's go to the another slide. Dear student, wait for a minute. This virus disease has become one of the worst nightmares of the world. It has become the worst nightmare of the world. Okay. Then the current outbreak of novel coronavirus was first detected in Chinese city of Wuhan in December 2019, which has been detected in many locations internationally. experts have confirmed that the virus can spread rapidly from one human body to another and infects the lungs of humans through the respiratory system. Then, symptoms of this virus vary from person to person depending on its severity and type of infection, including cough, fever, throat infection, kidney failure, and respiratory problems. Not all coronavirus are lethal, but some are severe to cause death. Here is lethal. Lethal means dangerous. Okay? Which is not good. Dangerous. Lethal means dangerous. Then there is no specific treatment of the virus. There are no particular vaccine for the virus. Patients are given supportive care for the symptoms such as fluids and pain relievers. Okay, fluids means liquid. Okay. Standard recommendation to prevent infection spread include regular washing hand, covering mouth and nose when cough and sneezing, thoroughly cooking meat and eggs. The World Health Organization has announced global emergency as the virus has already spread over the almost all the countries. Recently in Bangladesh, a few number of coronavirus patient is identified. It would be foolish that the country is not at risk. Though the number of the patients are not many as the other country, Bangladesh is at risk of this virus. Therefore, drastic measures should be taken to avoid this disease, as we know prevention is better than cure. Okay. Okay, dear student, it was enough for today. Your homework will be coronavirus or COVID-19 paragraph. You will try to learn it at home. Okay, dear student. And thank you for attending the class. Till the next class, stay safe and stay healthy. And one important information, keep your hygiene. Okay, Allah Hafiz.